Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore a Samsung Pass usernames and passwords, cards and addresses from a backup file on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now if you have previously performed a backup, you can restore those files. So first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on general management. Then go down and tap on passwords and autofill. In here, tap on the settings icon right next to the autofill with Samsung Pass. And then we need to verify our identity. Next, tap on the option key from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on import data. Now choose where the data is. So I'm going to tap on the downloads icon right here. And previously I have backup my Samsung Pass to this folder or in this directory. So I'm going to select a file. You can see it shows a .s pass, which stands for Samsung Pass. So I'm going to tap on done, and then it says scan my fingerprint to verify my identity. All right, and then in here it said this is the file that we have selected. Tap on the continue button, and we need to put in the password from this file. So when you create a backup file, it will ask you to put in a password. So now I'm going to put in that password and tap on continued. And in here we can choose what we want to restore. I'm going to restore everything, and then tap on import. And that's it. That's how you can import your Samsung Pass data on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.